Morning children. Yesterday we have learned about the regarding the lesson Earth, our moon, first lesson. So now we will come to the main topic, that is Earth. Okay. So we learned about the sun, moon. Okay. Now Earth is about Earth. Okay. How the Earth looks? It's okay. I will give you a simple example. Earth looks like a globe. Globe you might be knowing now. Globe. Okay. So and how the earth, what is the covered area of the earth? Okay, first I will tell you how the earth is covered. Okay, so actually earth looks like a ball. Okay, earth looks like a ball, and see 75% of the earth is covered with the waters. That's why I given the blue color here. Okay, 75% of the earth is covered with the water, and rest 25% is covered with land. Okay, so see how the earth looks from the sky. See, like this. Okay, like this it looks. Okay, now come to the points. Earth is the home of all living things. Yesterday I told you living things are what? Which require air and water, like we. Okay, human beings, plants, animals, these are all the living things. Okay, so the earth is the home of all living things. So I told you life is possible on earth only. So we live now. So our life is possible on the earth only, but not on the other planet. I clearly told you water and air is not okay, available in other planets. Only earth is the place we can live. Okay, can we stay without the air and water? No. And even sun. Yesterday I told you about the sun also, one of the important feature of earth. So with sun also, if it is not there means we can't stay on earth. Okay, now next point is living things. I told you na, human beings, animals, plants. Okay, now suitable for all living things. I told you na, for it is the earth is a place, it is suitable for the all living things. Now surrounded by a layer of air. Okay, so how the earth is covered? It's covered with the air. Okay, now earth covered by air and water. So I told you na, it's covered with the air and water. Now come to the point of shape of the earth. How the shape of the earth, how it looks. I told you it looks like a globe. Here I have given a globe, and it looks like a ball, nothing but. Okay, globe or ball. So in ancient times, see who invented, how we will know that earth looks like a ball. Okay, in ancient times people thought that the earth was flat. So people what they thought, earth is like a flat surface. But after people even scared to travel far places for the fear of that they might fall off the edges. They thought that if you go for travel up to this edge, maybe they may fall off the edges. Okay, and but Aristotle and Copernicus, okay, is they are the both people who proved that earth was not flat. Okay, they proved that it was not flat. And the last point is the earth is shaped like a ball and has no edges. What Aristotle and Copernicus they proved that the earth is shaped like a ball and has no edges. So with this we know we come to the this picture that a globe looks like a ball. Thank you. So morning we learned about this lesson Earth our home, how the earth looks, what is the area covered by the earth, how much area, water area, land area, how much covered we already know about this. Okay, and even Aristotle, Copernicus persons proved that earth has no edges. Now Ferdinand Magellan, okay, he is also a person who proved that earth has no edges, and it is not a flat surface also. Okay, so About 500 years ago, in the year 1519, okay, long back, 500 years back, okay, in 1519 year, okay, a Portuguese sailor, okay, Fernando Magellan, okay, is a Portuguese sailor, started on a long voyage. Voyage means what? Traveling by sea from Spain. From where he started? From Spain. Spain he started, okay, traveling to know that how the earth area covered. Okay, so he proved no one could fall off the earth. So when he traveled by this voyage, then he proved that no one can fall from the earth. To their surprise, after 3 years of sailing, okay, they reached the same place where they have started the voyage. So from Spain they started. After 3 years of traveling by sea, they reached the same place, Spain. So and they are knowing that the earth, there is no edges, and even we cannot fall from the earth. This is the experiment they have done. So come to the point here. So how the earth looks? Okay, we told that the earth looks like a ball, correct na? But exactly earth not looks like a ball. Okay, it's a, see, you know the fruit orange, no? See orange I drawn here. Okay, so here slightly flat at the top. See the ball here on the top, slightly it is flatter. Okay, and earth has no edges, round like a ball. Okay, this is the experiment they are done. After that, in your this book, in your book you can see some pictures I will show you. Okay, here land horizon, okay, sea horizon and coastal horizon. Okay, so first I will tell you what is coast. Okay, coast is means water, the area which meets, okay, land and sea, the area which meets land space and water. Okay, the border line, that is coast. Okay, now here land horizon means water. See the picture here. Land horizon, sometimes you can see that if you go to the building, if you are having any sea near to your house, you can see by building on the top of tower of the building. Okay, you can observe that this sky and land is, okay, meeting place. The meeting place is called land horizon. Okay, sky and land is meeting, land horizon. Okay, sea horizon means what? Sea, sky and sea area, sea water is a meeting. That meeting is called sea horizon and coastal area. Okay, sea and land area, that is coastal area. Okay, in this lesson I will give you some recap of this lesson. So in this lesson what we learned? See, there are 8 planets in the solar system we learned. The earth is a home of all living things. All living things need air and water to live, and Aristotle Copernicus said that earth is shaped like a ball and has no edges. Magellan has proved that earth had no edges. Okay, these are the points we covered. We know about all this today. Okay, we learned now. This lesson is completed. Okay, thank you.